Hello and welcome to Drakon video series. Today we are going to take an overview on the gallery. You can find the icon in here. And from here you will see that you will be able to manage your projects, create your own files and your own library. So for instance, in this case, I'm going to select here the Shanks folder. And let's see what we have in here. You will see that we have a couple of examples by default. Of course, when we click it, just a preview and we can see what we have. And from here, then we can either add it to document. And as you can see, it will load all the history along with the file. So the idea is, of course, if needed, we can readjust any of the options. For instance, in this case, if I want to readjust on the bypass ring, for instance, the length, the width, we can readjust all these options and it will recalculate, keeping all the history. As you can see, just readjusting the options and just taking advantage of the history on the Drakon models. But of course, any Rhino model, you can save it in the gallery and as well as load it to your document or just save it in your library. So for instance, in this example, we have seen that we can just load the files from here as well as save our own files. If needed, also we can create a new folder. Let me just define the name here in the command line. And then if I want to save a file to the gallery in here, it will need first to select the files and it will go to the destination, in this case, the open folder. For instance, if we want a different one, just this one, we just select the file and we add it to the gallery. Okay, so as you can see, when it will usually take the name of the file. In this case, I didn't save the file, so it's still untitled, but it will keep the name of the file. If needed, we can always open the File Explorer, and from here we can adjust anything on the Windows Explorer. But the idea is, of course, we can come back to the main folder. We can populate these with our projects, create our own folders. And of course, once this is saved in our user folder, you can define it, for instance, on a cloud platform and have it available on several computers. This is a quite straightforward workflow. Easy to understand. It's just one example on how to take advantage on all these projects and folders. There are a few samples by default, but you can, of course, create your own library and define your own specific parts, the ones you use most, and take advantage of the gallery to manage your projects. This is quite simple. You can save from the gallery to the document and from the document to the gallery, and always keeping the history on each of the files, which allow you to edit. But this is the main idea, and you will see that you can always preview when you are selecting from the gallery. For instance, in this case, if we are going to gem settings, we can see any of the examples we have in here, and then if needed, you just add them to the document, as you can see, and it will come along with the history of the file. So this is quite useful to take advantage from. This is it for today. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you.